Yeah, hello guys, welcome to CTO Training Club. So, our goal here is to actually do practice sessions in coding. Now, the problem is in today's world, we have so many entertainment options and so many gateways that we cannot focus. And it's a real problem all over the world. Internet is almost like a personalized TV. It shows you what you want to see. So when you go to Instagram or YouTube and when you check out reels and shorts, it will show you what you want to see. And because of that, you will never stop. And it's very unlikely that you will rather stop. Even if you want to go for only 5 minutes, it will end up like 50 minutes on Instagram and YouTube, especially for the shorts. So in the world in which we live today is full of distractions. That's one thing. And as a student, we need to be focused on a certain path, right? Because we have certain goals, and to achieve goals, we need to follow a track. Uh, and that's why the focus on this whole club is not only the learning. Of course, learning is one part, and learning we have tons of solutions out there, but the other important part is to have uh, a frequent live coding sessions where you dedicate a certain time of your day for programming. uh, I would congratulate all of you, those who are already on the group, for taking the first step, and we'll craft a syllabus very soon. I already have a syllabus ready, but it's about the priority. Like, do we do Python first? Should we do React or database or what? My personal understanding is we should do backend first, which is Python. We'll build a full stack application, first backend, then front end. Front end will be with HTML, JavaScript initially. Later on, it will be React. So we'll learn Python and React, which is like almost full stack, with the help of database and APIs and GitHub. So that will make you a full-fledged full stack developer. Once we are done that, then we can move on to other frameworks. So one could be a bit of PHP, where we'll be using Laravel framework, and other route is machine learning, deep learning. Uh, in deep learning, we'll learn neural networks, convolutional neural networks. Then we'll learn transformers, and we'll also build our own LLM, which is like large language model, similar to ChatGPT. It won't be very efficient, but at least it will give you the overall blocks, like building blocks of any LLM application. uh, in machine learning, we'll do supervised and supervised little bit. So once ML and DL is covered, then we go to deployment. So we'll deploy our application, and now for deployment we'll need an access to AWS or something. But if you just watch this video, that's fine, because you'll understand how to deploy. They ask for credit card, and many students don't have credit card, so we don't get free trial. But we'll see some solution for that anyway. Once we do deployment, then we are open for blockchain. Now blockchain is like a parallel internet. So we'll be learning Solidity, and we'll deploy our own cryptocurrency. We'll deploy our own NFT token initially. So those two things we'll be doing on blockchain, apart from conceptual understanding of blockchain, DeFi, metaverse, DAO, etc. And in this whole process, we'll be using generative AI a lot. So we'll be using ChatGPT and Claude very much to learn. What else is there then? Um, this covers almost a lot of things. So I think at the end of it, you'll be prepared for a job of CTO, like Chief Technology Officer, and you'll be also eligible for small different roles, like let's say backend engineer or front end engineer, Python, or just machine learning engineer, etc. So you'll be ready for almost 20 different job roles at the end of this. That is the whole goal of this, and it's purely hands-on. So you'll have to code a lot. You can copy paste, you can type. It's up to you. Understanding code is like the first important thing, and second is like the typing of it. Uh, uh, so I think this covers almost everything. Yes, we'll also be building bots. Like we'll build Telegram bots, and if you want, we can build Discord bot, and eventually probably WhatsApp bot as well. But for WhatsApp it's still like in early stages, so we'll see about that, but otherwise we'll build bots as well. Well, so that's it. Again, I would like to congratulate all of you for signing up for this, and we'll see how it goes. Now, what I need from you is like roughly the time commitments that you can give, so we can plan live sessions accordingly. We'll of course record every session, so there will be no missing out. But what really matters is for you to have a dedicated time in which you code. Okay, so it's okay if you are not attending a live session, but you have to code at least in that day or the other day, right? Because if you don't do it consistently, the results will not follow. So consistency, at least on the week level, 4 days, almost 1.5 hour, so 6 hour per week minimum hands-on coding is the least minimum requirement that we have, so that in the matter of few months you are at that stage where you can build your own startup, you can work as a CTO in your own startup or friend startup, or you can apply for 20 different job roles. All right, okay, thank you so much, bye bye.